Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can spectate other players' matches on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you will see the Play Dota option at the bottom right corner. Now if you wish to spectate other players' matches, click on the watch option at the top section. Here you can search for various heroes. If you wish to watch a specific hero's battle, you can also see the various player ranks to watch their games. Once you find a match that you are interested in, click on the watch in-game option, and this will connect into the server and take you within this match right away. You can spectate and move around freely within this game, and you can also cycle through the various time frame. You can check out the stats of this game from the top left section and watch the match continue and learn how to operate various heroes. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to spectate other players' matches on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.